everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's AJ here again, and today we are going to unbox my new MacBook Air computer. So come and unbox with me. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification button in order for you to get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's go! Alright, let us unbox this. I guess it's a bean container.
This is a 1940s MacBook Air.
Yeah, because he said he will buy me a MacBook Air, but not the new edition, but that's okay as long as it does the job.
I cheaped out and got her a 2018 model MacBook Air.
But I thought it was the gold history. If anyone is watching Stargate shows, that's what it is.
Oh, that's a big bubble wrap. Oh my goodness.
Everyone likes this. I like this. Look.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Mishpai, there's been some sort of mistake.
I don't think this is
They've got you a MacBook Pro.
It's a MacBook Pro. Oh my goodness.
And that's a current edition. That's the latest model. That's not 2018.
Moly. What have you been doing, love?
That's a brand new MacBook Pro.
Oh my goodness. Thanks, love.
There's been some sort of mistake.
He's been working me up because I said I wanted the new one. And then he said he'll get me the old version. And now it's not. Do it like that. Gee, that's hard.
Apple stuff's always...
Amazing. Don't you like that? Let's put it there. It's got the MacBook, of course. It's got some card there from Apple, and the charger. That's a big one. Gee, gigantic.
Oh, it's a bigger
And the
battery
cords. Okay, that's it. Here you go. Very sleek. Ooh. And then
I would do the one I get you would be fit for purpose.
So the new MacBook Pro comes with special features. The first one will be when you lift up the lid, it will automatically lit up the screen. Sorry, it's just a bit hard for me to adjust. So that's what it is. And then it has got a USB 4 bolt on the left side, which you will charge it, and on the other side is for that socket is for the headphones. And then the menu bar is on the top area, and then you can just customize. It's got a FaceTime camera as well. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's very tiny, but it is there. And it's got the Finder, the one with the smiley, which you can use to access all your files and folders and apps as well. Very easy. So this area here, you can just customize it according to what you would like to put in there. Well, this one's on the top. So see, when you touch it, it lights up. So over here I have put Siri, and I have put the sound bar here, so you can just press that to mute and press it again if you want to adjust the volume. So it will just go like that. Very easy. The brightness is pretty much the same, so you just adjust it accordingly. So that's the power button, and that's the fingerprint area. And yeah, it's very nice one. I've got it in gray color, and you can have a silver one as well. So pretty happy with the purchase. Thanks love for getting it for me. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Bye.